Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what the New Year's chimp does in Grow a Garden. This is what it looks like. Super cute. Love the accessories. It is a mythical pet, and you're able to obtain it via the New Year's egg. It occasionally grabs a fruit from the player's garden and delivers it to one of the four different things for a random bonus effect. Has a chance to apply the Clockwork mutation. That's new. Has a chance to give a random pet 2000 XP and has a chance to give the player some event lanterns or some recall wrenches and has a chance to advance the next hatch time by 200 seconds. Cool. Okay, that is pretty cool. Actually has a lot of like abilities to it. So yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.